Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa channel ko, please consider to subscribe at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notified ka every time na mayroon akong mga bagong videos katulad nito. So our tutorial for this video is shell waves, another part of shell stitches. As what I mentioned before on my previous video, that shell stitches comes into different types. So to start shell waves, we need chain a multiple of 14 plus 2. At ang ating mga gagamitin, milk cotton yarn, 5mm crochet hook, darning needle, not necessarily, only as you want, and a pair of scissors. Ito yung ating chain foundation. 28 chain foundation plus 2. So total of 30 chain foundation. To start, row 1, single crochet in the second chain from hook. So 1, 2, here, single crochet, and single crochet in each of next 3 chain. So 1, 2, and 3, single crochet for each chain. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Next, we're going to skip the next 3 chain. 1, 2, and 3. So in the next chain, we will do the 7 double crochet. First DC, second DC, third DC, fourth DC, fifth, sixth, and 7 DC in the same stitch. So this is how it look like our row 1. And after the 7 double crochet in the same stitch, skip the next 3 chain, 1, 2, and 3. On the next chain, we do single crochet and single crochet in the next 7 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then skip the next 3 chain, 1, 2, and 3. On the next chain, we will do the 7 double crochet. I-repeat lang yung naunang process dito. So first DC, second DC, third DC, fourth 4th DC, 5th DC, 6 and 7 double crochet in the same stitch. Ganyan. After 7 double crochet, skip the next 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. On the next chain, start single crochet. Single crochet in the 4 next chain. So 2, 3 and 4 in the last chain. Like that. So this is how we end up our first row. Moving to row 2, chain 1, and then babaliktarin natin. Chain 1 considered or count as single crochet. And then skip the first single crochet. So this is the first single crochet. Skip natin and single crochet on the next single crochet here. And then continue 1 single crochet in each of stitches until the end of the row. Done for the row 2. Then we will proceed on row 3. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Babaliktarin. This considered as 1 double crochet. Then next, 3 double crochet in first single crochet. So this is the first single crochet. Tatlong double crochet dito. First, second, and third double crochet. Next, skip next 3 single crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Skip natin yan. And then we're going to do single crochet in each of 7 double crochet. So ito yan. Itong 7 na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 single crochet for each double crochet. So start here because we're going to skip 3. 1, 2 and 3. So start here. The double crochet. The single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 single crochet in each of 7 double crochet. Next, skip 3 chain. So 1, 2 and 3. On the next chain, we're going to start 7 double crochet. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so this is how it look like. And after the 7 double crochet in the same stitch, skip next 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and on the next chain single crochet. Again, this is the single crochet in each double crochet. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and then skip the next 3 chain. So 1, 2 and 3. On the last chain you will do the 3 double crochet here. One, 2 and 3, and 1 more double crochet for the turning chain. Skip natin doon sa turning chain, ay dito sa yan. So this is how we end up our third row. Next, row 4. To begin row 4, chain 1, and chain 1 is considered as single crochet. The same process lang ito ng row 2. So skip the first single crochet, which is this one, the first single crochet, and then start on the next single crochet. So continue lang natin yung single crochet for each stitches until end of the row. We're almost done in row 4. Okay. Moving on to row 5, chain 1, and then babalik ta rin. Again, reminder, chain 1 count as first single crochet. Okay, and then skip the first single crochet and single crochet in each of 3 double crochet. This one, the 3 double crochet. So from here, the single crochet. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. And next, skip the 3 single crochet. First, second DC, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7 double crochet in the same stitch, like that. Skip then the next 3 chain, 1, 2, and 3, and on the next chain start the single crochet. Ulitin lang yun dito kanina. So ang ginagawa nating single crochet is on the top of 7 double crochet, yung nasa top noong 7 double crochet. Okay, and after the single crochet, skip next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. So on the next, we're going to do the 7 double crochet. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7, like this. And then after the 7 double crochet in the same stitch, skip again the next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and then we will do 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and on the turning chain, like this. So this is how we end up our 5th row. Moving on the next row, the 6th row, the same as row 4. So chain 1, count as single crochet, and then skip the first single crochet, start on the next single crochet. We will do the single crochet for each stitches until end of row 6. So this is how we end up the row 6. Okay. To continue your project for your desired length or measurement, just repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is how it looks like once you flatten the stitches. So this is how it looks like once it flattened. So that's all for our today's tutorial video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. At kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, please consider to subscribe to my channel at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notified ka every time na mayroon akong mga bagong videos katulad nito. Muli po maraming salamat at see you on my next video.